Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best recovery drink is probably one of the most crucial elements in your post-workout routine, helping to replenish depleted energy stores, repair muscle tissue, and reduce inflammation, ultimately allowing you to bounce back faster and stronger for your next training session. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your performance and overall fitness journey, making it a vital investment in your athletic endeavors. Number 5. B.O.B. and Brad Q2 Pro Mini Massage Gun. Meet the revolutionary Q2 Pro Mini Massage Gun, your ultimate companion for muscle relief. This compact powerhouse delivers targeted therapy wherever you go. Designed for ultimate portability, it easily fits into your bag or pocket. Experience deep tissue massage and targeted relief on the go. Enjoy the benefits of both heat and cold therapy to soothe your muscles. It's perfect for pre- or post-workout recovery and everyday tension. Don't let its size fool you, this massager packs a punch. Its ultra-quiet operation ensures a peaceful and effective massage experience. Take advantage of HSA and FSA eligibility for your wellness needs. Invest in your recovery and well-being with this versatile device. Whether you're an athlete or just need to unwind, it's your perfect solution. Get fast, effective relief from muscle soreness and stiffness. What we like. This compact massager offers both heat and cold therapy, perfect for targeted relief on the go. If you need versatile recovery options in a small package, this is your go-to. Its quiet operation makes it ideal for use anywhere without disturbance. What people say. Has warm and cold settings. Nice attachments. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive power for deep tissue relief. The different intensity levels make it easy to target everything from minor stiffness to deeper knots. One of my favorite features is the red light infrared heating head. The heat feels amazing on overworked muscles and really helps with inflammation after long sessions. The battery life is solid and lasts through multiple uses without constant recharging. Overall, it feels well made, effective, and thoughtfully designed for active people. It is powerful and keeps its charge. It's so easy to use. Great design. Number 4. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Introducing Legion Pulse, the all-natural pre-workout designed to help you push your limits. Experience a surge of clean energy without the jitters. This formula is crafted with natural ingredients to fuel your performance. Achieve peak performance with enhanced focus and sustained endurance. It helps you stay locked in and power through every rep. Enjoy the benefits of a powerful pre-workout without creatine. This option is perfect for those seeking a different approach to their training. Savor the refreshing taste of fruit punch. It's naturally sweetened for a delicious and effective pre-workout experience. Formulated with beta-alanine, citrulline, and alpha-GPC, it provides the essential components for an optimal workout. What we like. Experience a clean energy boost with this all-natural pre-workout. If you're looking for enhanced blood flow and energy without creatine, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who prefer naturally sweetened, effective formulas to power their workouts. What people say. It is creatine-free and does not contain any artificial sweeteners or additives. The energy boost from Legion Pulse is remarkable. Unlike other pre-workouts that rely on excessive caffeine, this supplement utilizes natural sources of energy, such as caffeine from green tea extract and theacrine. This provides me with a sustained and smooth energy lift, helping me power through even the most intense workouts without the dreaded crash afterward. The nitric oxide boosting properties of this pre-workout are also impressive. The combination of L-citrulline and ornithine increases blood flow and pumps, enhancing my overall workout performance and muscle endurance. Number 3. Jacked Factory Growth Surge Creatine. Elevate your recovery after every workout. This supplement is designed to help you build muscle and bounce back faster. Experience enhanced muscle building with key ingredients. It supports your body's natural growth processes for optimal results. Don't let soreness slow you down. This formula aids in faster recovery, so you can get back to training sooner. It features a potent mix including creatine monohydrate and L-carnitine. These ingredients work together to maximize your gains. Enjoy your post-workout routine with a refreshing cherry limeade taste. It makes supporting your fitness goals a pleasure. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have enough to stay consistent. Support your training goals with every dose. What we like. This supplement is designed for serious muscle growth and recovery post-exercise. If you're aiming to build lean muscle and enhance your gains, its blend of creatine and L-carnitine is highly effective. It's ideal for those who want a dedicated product to support their muscle-building goals. What people say. The combination of creatine monohydrate, betaine, and L-carnitine L-tartrate appears to enhance endurance and promote lean muscle growth. I've noticed faster recovery, reduced soreness, and better muscle fullness after intense training sessions. Helps restore focus after a tough workout without all the jitteriness from heavily caffeinated supplements or coffee. Number 2. Jacked Factory Build PM Nighttime Muscle Builder. Introducing Build PM, the ultimate nighttime recovery solution. It's designed to support muscle growth and enhance your sleep quality. Maximize your post-workout gains even after you've finished your training. This supplement aids in muscle repair and reduces soreness overnight. Drift into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Our formula includes ingredients known to promote relaxation and improve sleep patterns. Formulated with Vita Cherry Tart Cherry, ashwagandha, and melatonin. These powerful ingredients work together to optimize your recovery and sleep. Comes in 60 natural veggie pills, making it an easy and effective addition to your nightly routine. Experience the difference quality ingredients can make. What we like. Optimize your recovery while you sleep with this specialized nighttime formula. If you struggle with post-workout recovery or want to improve sleep quality, its blend of tart cherry and ashwagandha is beneficial. This is perfect for athletes who understand the importance of overnight repair and rest. What people say. Build PM helps me to feel extremely relaxed, and when I do fall asleep, the sleep is much more restorative, regenerative, and re-energizing than it has been since I was a little kid. Definitely notice a difference in sleep quality as well as muscle recovery the next day. Significantly less sore the day after, so workouts can be pushed harder with less consequence. Build PM has everything you need for effective muscle recovery and for a good night's rest. I've been using Build PM for the past 2 weeks and it has significantly helped my sleep. The first few nights my sleep was improving only slightly, but by night 4 to 5 I was sleeping straight through the night. Number 1. Legion Pulse Pre-Workout Supplement. Are you ready to elevate your workout? Experience a new level of energy and focus with our pre-workout supplement. It's designed to help you push your limits. Fuel your body with the power of nature. This supplement is crafted with all natural ingredients to support your performance. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. Get the boost you need to conquer your training session. It enhances energy levels and sharpens mental focus, so you can stay in the zone. Achieve your fitness goals more effectively. We understand that not everyone wants creatine in their pre-workout. That's why our formula is completely creatine-free. Enjoy the benefits without the ingredients you're looking to avoid. Enjoy a delicious taste without artificial sweeteners. This supplement is naturally sweetened for a refreshing flavor. It's a treat for your taste buds and your body. Packed with essential ingredients like beta-alanine, citrulline, and alpha-GPC. These components work together to optimize your performance. Experience the difference these key ingredients can make. Enjoy the vibrant taste of fruit punch without the jitters. This caffeine-free option provides sustained energy and focus. It's perfect for any time of day. What we like. Get a powerful workout boost without the jitters thanks to this caffeine-free option. If you're sensitive to caffeine or training late, this nitric oxide enhancer is ideal. It provides sustained energy and focus naturally, making it perfect for any time of day. What people say. The powder mixes well with water and doesn't leave a gritty texture. It provides a good source of protein and electrolytes to aid in muscle recovery. The flavor is pleasant and not overly sweet, making it easy to drink after a workout. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.